In this video, we're going to show you how to add media to your web page. In this example, we're just going to use a picture. So here I am, I'm in the page editing window. So down here underneath my content, I'm going to click upload/insert media. And it pops up this box here where you can drag files into this box to upload them, or you can just select them. So I'm going to click select files, and I'm going to grab a picture to upload. So we'll just use this arrow here. I'm going to click open. And here's my arrow that's been uploaded. And so in this area you have options that you can choose from. You can add a caption to it if you'd like, or a description. Here you can make the image a link. By default, it always links to the image itself in case it's a smaller version of a larger image. And then you can choose the alignment options for my image here. So right now I'm going to do no alignment, full size image. I'm just going to insert it into the post. So there's my image inside my content window. I'm going to click update. And then I'm going to view the page. So there's my arrow on the website now, and it has a link to itself. So there it is. So we can go back to the page and click on edit page. And once you're back in this window, you can make some changes to the arrow here. So I'm going to remove the image again, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here next to my text. And what I want to do is upload the image again, but since I've already uploaded it, it's now in my media library. So I'm going to click on that, and here's my arrow. It's the only image I've uploaded, so it automatically opens. And what I want to do is I want to align the image to the left of my text. So I'm going to choose align left, and I want it to be a little bit smaller, but I can't because it's already a very small image. So if you have larger images that you're uploading, it'll enable these options for you. So I'm going to click insert into post again. Now my image is here to the left of my text. Now if I update this page and I click on view page, instead of the arrow being down beneath the text is floated to the right of my image. You can do the same thing with the image if you want it floated to the right, or if the image is in between paragraphs, you can float it to the center of the page using the same menu. Now to edit the media that you've already uploaded, I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and then here you have a media tab on the left hand side. If you go ahead and just click on that, it's going to open up to your media library where you can see the images that you've uploaded. And it tells you that it's attached to this page. If you have other pages it's attached to, it'll list them there. But if I want to delete this image, I can click delete permanently, or I can edit the image if I want. So if you click on edit, it's going to open up this editing window. You can change the name of the image, you can add default description for it, or the URL that you want it to automatically link to. You can click on edit image, and it gives you a couple options here. If I wanted to scale the image to a different size, this will automatically adjust for me. So if I want to make it 30 pixels, it automatically adjusts the height to 27 pixels. So I can hit scale, and it's going to make the image a lot smaller. With these buttons, you can also rotate the image however you want. This button will flip the image vertically, and this one will flip it vertically. And these are your undo and redo buttons as you make changes. You can also crop the image if you want to. So I want to save that, and it looks like it already saved it after I resized it. So I'm going to click update media. And now, since I've already changed this image, if I go back to my website and I want to see my new page, if I refresh the page, now this image is showing up the same size because WordPress gave it that width and height originally when I uploaded it. So if you want the image to reflect those new changes, what you need to do is just reinsert the image into your page. So go into Edit Page, you can remove this image, click Upload Insert. Now you can go to your media library and see this reflects the new dimensions that we made for the image, 29 pixels by 27 pixels. So I'm going to float it right this time. I'm going to click Insert into Post. And so here's my arrow, and it's moved all the way to the right of the page. Now if I click Update and view my page, now it's placed the smaller arrow on the site, floated all the way over to the right, since I told it to be aligned to the right of the page. So it's pretty easy to upload images and media to your site. If you go back to the dashboard and you want to remove media that you've uploaded, like I mentioned before, just hover your mouse over the file name and go to Delete Permanently, and then just hit OK, and then the arrow is deleted. And that's all it takes to add media to your website.